everyone, and welcome back. And in this Shortcuts a Lot version 5 tutorial, or SCAL5 tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do a popular technique called a knockout. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is go to library, and I'm going to select the heart. You can actually use any shape that you choose, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to do a heart. Remember in the last tutorials, I say hold down the shift button so that you can retain the shape of the object. So I have my heart. Make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so now I want to select both, and I want to go to layer, duplicate layer, because I want to make two of them. Okay, so the heart now is behind the text. This is very important because the next step is very crucial. Select like that, and I'm going to go to path, and you can say front minus the back or back minus the front. When you do front minus the back, this is what's going to happen. It's going to give you a hole, which is awesome. Okay, so with this, you want to make sure that your heart is behind the words. So we're going to go to layer, arrange, layer to the bottom. Then we're going to select these two shapes, like so. And we're going to go to path, and we want to do intersection. So select that, and it's going to give us our knockout. So you just slide it over here like so. And with scowl sometimes it's funny. It doesn't align perfectly, but you're able to redo it in your Cricut design space or your Silhouette Cameo software. But that is the simple way to do a knockout in SCAL5. It's really just that simple. So go over the features again. You're actually going to use these. The three that you will end up using is back minus front, front minus back, and intersection. And when you go to your layer tab, you're going to go to arrange to where you can move it around. This takes a lot of practice because sometimes if you don't have it arranged like you need to have it arranged, it will do something totally different. So I highly suggest you guys get around in SCAL5 and play around with this technique. But this is how you do a knockout with a click of a button. Next tutorial, we're going to go over how to save this as an SVG so that you're able to export it to your Silhouette Cameo design or your Cricut design.